once again.
Hello everyone! I'm so excited today. It's Melvot's Table once again, guys. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, and if you are new in my channel, thank you for dropping by. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I'm gonna post a video in my channel. So today, guys, we will be cooking a very special dish from Vietnam. This is what they call the Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. But I'm gonna make it like a barbecue for a change, okay? So here are the ingredients. Okay guys, let's start. The main ingredient for the marinade for this very delicious and yummy chicken is lemongrass. I have here 3 pieces of lemongrass. Don't you know, guys, that lemongrass relieves stress and anxiety? It also lowers cholesterol level and also preventing infection, boosts oral health, and relieve pain. So this is so healthy as well, guys. So I'm so happy to share this recipe with you. So what we're gonna do, we'll just remove the hard part of the lemongrass. For your information also, my lemongrass is not fresh, but it's okay because I couldn't find any fresh lemongrass in the superstore. So we'll just cut it very thinly. And I know in the Philippines, we have a lot of fresh lemongrass, or other countries as well. Okay guys, so hanggang dyan lang kasi yung medyo head lang ang ilalagay natin. So, we'll just mince it. Okay guys, so after we chop the lemongrass, I'll put here in my mixing beaker. Okay, so also I have here, this is from my garden. Okay, I took it from my garden. It just came out after the winter. So I'll just take the white part, and the same thing, just a thin slices. So this is my plant, spring onion or scallion or green onions. Every year, tumutubo talaga siya. So it's so convenient for me. Kaya napaka-fresh nito, guys. So I'll add up in here as well. I just took the white part, okay? Just took the white part. And then we'll set this aside for now. And we will continue with our marinade. Okay, guys? I have here also small chopped ginger. So I will put my ingredients. Just take a screenshot, okay, for you to follow. And then minced garlic, put in, and chopped red onion. Okay, and then I have here 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Kung wala kayong lime juice, you can use lemon juice or calamansi juice. Or if there's no calamansi or lemon or lime, you can use vinegar. And then soy sauce. And then I have here fish sauce as well. And also vegetable oil. You can use any oil. And also I have here 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use sugar, brown sugar, and also black pepper, ground black pepper, and hot chili pepper to make our marinade a little bit spicy. This is really good to marinate with our chicken. And of course, guys, the chicken that I use is a chicken thigh that I cut it up. So You can use any part of the chicken if you like. That's okay. So smells good. All right. Okay guys, here is the chicken that I cut up. It's about 1.5 pound. I cut it like this. See? So it will be easier for me na tuhugin siya. Okay, now I can pour the marinade. And because I want the marinade to get inside the chicken, I'll be using my gloves to mix it. Okay guys, you have to press on the meat so that the marinade will get inside the meat, and we'll leave it marinated for about at least 3 hours before you cook into the grill. Okay guys, after that we will cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Don't go away. Melvet's Table will come back in a short hour, okay? Okay guys, welcome back. Ito na yung na-marinate natin kanina na chicken. So, let's start doing our barbecue skewers. Okay, so simple lang guys. Kinat-cut ko na ito ng medyo pahaba para mas mabilis ko siyang matusok. So, gagawin ko, tutusukin ko lahat into a barbecue stick. Kung gagamit kayo ng bamboo skewers, guys, kailangan ibabad nyo sa malamig na tubig para hindi siya masusunog. Okay? Okay, guys, make sure na medyo nipisan ninyo ang paghiwa ng inyong chicken para madaling maluto at maluluto siya talaga ng tamang-tama. Okay guys, this is the skewers that we're finished doing it. But before we're gonna cook that one, I want to show you how to make a very yummy sausawan with our barbecue. Okay, lime juice. I will give you the exact measurements on how to make this very delicious dipping sauce. Okay, and this is a lime juice and a honey, and I have here sorry guys, hot water, about 2 tablespoons. All right, and fresh minced garlic, hot chili peppers, and let's mix it together guys to make our delicious dipping sauce. All right, so this is so yum. We'll set this aside and we will start cooking. And of course, before I forget, gagawa rin tayo ng pang-base natin para lalong masarap talaga yung ating gagawing barbecue. Meron ako ditong honey and hoisin sauce. Okay? So, let's just mix it up. And there you go. This will be our basting sauce. Okay guys, and this is our side vegetables that I will be frying just a little bit later. Okay, so let's go and cook. All right. Wow, mainit na ang ating grill. Palagay na natin siya dito. Okay guys, make sure that the heat of your grill is not really high para swabe yung kanyang pagkakaluto. Okay? At least 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll close it. Okay? Guys, let's check it. Wow. Oh, hot. Perfectly done. Look at that. Okay guys, we'll put the basting sauce. This is the one we made, just a honey and hoisin sauce. This is so yum. Here is the finished product, our Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. The vegetables, guys, I just stir-fried with some olive oil, pepper, and salt. Alright, enjoy your meal, and of course, thank you all to my subscribers. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I'm gonna post a video on my channel. Thank you so much and hanggang sa muli po.